And so you're looking to add and remove a shift with Skip the Dishes? Well, not a problem. I'm here to help. I might sound a little raspy because I'm getting over a cold, but it doesn't mean I don't know what to do. So the first thing is after you get the Skip the Dishes app loaded, which probably is going to take 5 to 7 minutes because Skip is the slowest app I find on all of the platforms, you're going to have this interface just like this. Now, before I get started on scheduling, I do want to show you that Skip the Dishes is a lot like DoorDash. You can go ahead and do a Dash Now if they're available. And to do so, click on that toggle up above that says offline. So we're going to click on it and we're going to click that we're going to go online. From there, if a schedule is available immediately, your market or any markets that you have that are outlined will be indicated in a bright green. You will then click on them and you can go ahead and take the availability that they have. Sometimes Skip only gives you half an hour, sometimes they give you 3 hours. It's whatever they have. Now, if you want to schedule a shift, go to the bottom of the app and not the first indicator, but the second one that looks like a schedule, we're going to click on there. Now, Skip the Dishes has 3 available things to toggle to at the top. My shifts, I don't have any. Open shifts, which we're going to go through, and availability. Now, for availability, what this does is if you go ahead and schedule yourself some available time slots, Skip will notify you if there's some available. If not, if you want to go, let's say, on the spry and do so, we have open shifts. Now, the first thing I got to indicate with open shifts is there's something that can make worthwhile just doing this one quick touch up. We can see that there's Wednesday, 1 shift, Thursday, there's 2 shifts, but that is very light on shifts. Now with Skip the Dishes, I find they have a refresh every 45 minutes. And all you have to do to refresh the schedule is pull down on your screen, so you see that refresh button, release it, and then look at that. We have more schedules available. So I have Brassard, which is my district, which I'm actually going to take. And then we have the 2 in Longueuil, and then we have Thursday shift. So to add the shift, hit that plus sign in green. It's in my market that I want. That's where I'm currently located. I'm just going to click add shift. It's easy as that. Now, how do we remove shifts? Well, currently right now, I don't want to remove that shift I just added. So just to see if anything refreshes, I'm going to refresh one more time. Nothing refreshed. But I'm going to add today's Longueuil one. And then I'm going to remove it. So to remove a shift with Skip the Dishes, there's many different ways you can do so. We can go to that left panel that says My Shifts. We can go ahead and click on the Montreal Longueuil one that I want to remove. And we can click on that garbage can right here. Now, Skip the Dishes has something in mind where they like to make us feel bad. So they're going to say late shift drop. Are you sure you want to drop this shift? Dropping a shift less than 48 hours in advance negatively impacts the network. So you would choose, you're keeping it or you're dropping it. So before I drop it, I'm going to show you the other method you can do so. Let's say you're on the home screen page and you don't know how to drop your shift. Go ahead and toggle to the 3 dots on the far right hand corner. From there, you have today's shifts available. If you had tomorrow's, they would be posted in there as well. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the Montreal to Longueuil one, and it's going to give me the same screen. From there, let's click the garbage can. We got the pity message, click drop shift, and now it's gone. You want to make sure it's gone? Go to the schedule again on the bottom left hand corner icon, and if you look under my shifts, I don't have a shift for Longueuil as of today. And just as simple as that, regardless if I have a raspy voice or not, you now know how to add or remove a shift with Skip the Dishes, and I'll catch you lovelies in the next video.